Rogi's Hiccups! It's a beautiful morning. Rogi overslept and is heading to the repair shop now.
Hana!
Oh, Rogi! Did you just get up?
Yep, I start work in the afternoon today. Huh? What's all that?
Huh? Oh, I picked up new engine oil for you guys. This new oil will really boost your engine strength.
Wow! Can I have some, please?
Not yet. You have to wait for the others.
But I want it now.
They're going to be here soon. Just wait.
Hana!
Oh?
Hana! Oh, there's something wrong with the video training screen.
Really? Let's go take a look. I'll be back in a minute, Rogi.
Oh. Okay, here we go.
See you later! Huh?
Okay. Thank you, Hana.
No problem. Huh? Now where did I leave that engine oil? I can't see it anywhere.
La 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 la. Maybe I drank too much.
Oh, Rogi must have drunk all of the engine oil.
I ended up drinking all 4 of them. I hope it's okay.
He didn't leave any engine oil for his friends.
It did boost my energy, just like Hana said it would.
Oh?
Hello, I'm Rogi, the super bus.
A super bus?
You're a funny bus.
Nice to meet you, Superbus.
Here we go, everyone. La 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 la. Huh? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. What should I do? It won't stop.
Oh my!
You're hardly a super bus.
You're not a Superbus. You're a blooper bus.
I'm so sorry. You'll have to take the next bus.
Huh? Isn't that Rogi? What's going on? Rogi?
Hi, Tayo.
Is something wrong?
What do you mean? No, nothing's wrong.
Really? Oh, well that's good.
I'll catch you later.
Huh? Oh, Hiccups? Rogi rushed back to the garage because of his hiccups.
Maybe it's because of all the engine oil I drank. What should I do?
Oh, hi, Rogi.
Hi, Hana.
Welcome back. You look tired.
No. I'm okay.
Hey, Rogi,
Yeah?
have you seen the engine oil I showed you? I can't seem to remember where I left it.
I haven't seen it.
Really? Where did I leave it? Huh? Oh? What was that?
It was nothing. I was just,
Huh?
Rogi!
You done with work?
Yes, I am. So are you feeling better?
Huh?
Well, it seemed like your hiccups were pretty bad. I saw everything.
Come to think of it, weren't you just hiccuping?
No, I'm okay now.
Let's go over to the repair shop so I can take a look.
Huh?
No, it's okay. You don't have to do that. I feel fine, really.
See, you're hiccuping again.
That wasn't a hiccup. That was a burp.
Rogi, it might happen when you're working, so let me take a look.
But I feel fine.
Oh, come on now.
I'm really okay.
Go on.
I'm in trouble. Now she's gonna find out. Oh no, what should I do?
Rogi okay?
I don't see anything wrong with him.
I'm so glad.
See? I told you I was okay.
Huh?
Just in case, I think you should take a break from work tomorrow.
Huh? But I'm feeling fine.
No, you have to think about the safety of your passengers.
Yeah, Rogi. You should take a day off.
Okay.
Tayo, isn't it your day off tomorrow? Could you work in Rogi's place?
Sure.
Sorry for the trouble.
Oh, it's okay. You know I like going out to work.
You should both get ready to go to sleep.
Okay. Good night, Hana.
See you tomorrow.
Good night, guys.
Tayo, the little bus.
It's the next morning. There's Tayo working Rogi's route.
I wonder if Rogi's okay.
Tayo!
Hi, Nori.
Didn't you say it was your day off, Tayo?
Oh, yeah. I'm just filling in for Rogi.
Really? Why? What happened to Rogi?
Oh, well, Rogi has a case of the hiccups.
Hiccups?
Yeah, even Hana doesn't know what's wrong. Do you have any ideas?
Oh, why don't you go see Met?
Met?
Aha! He's the subway train who knows everything.
He knows everything? Do you really think he knows how to stop hiccups?
Of course. He has the answer to everything.
So, where do I go to find him?
Oh, just look for the blue bridge.
Thanks, Nori. I can't wait to tell Rogi.
Am I ever gonna stop?
Rogi!
Hi, Tayo.
Rogi, you have to come with me.
Where are we going?
To Met, the subway train. I heard he knows everything, so he'll help you stop hiccuping.
Really?
Uh-huh. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
With the help of several friends, Tayo and Rogi look for the blue bridge where they can meet Met, the subway who knows everything.
This is it, the blue bridge. He's supposed to be here somewhere.
Huh? Tayo, it's the subway train!
Huh? Excuse me, just a second.
Huh?
Hello, my name is Tayo. Are you Met, the subway who knows everything?
Knows everything? That's me. I'm the one and only Met.
Wow, we found you. I have to ask you something, sir.
Your name's Tayo? What is it that you want to ask me?
Well, we've tried everything, but my friend over there can't stop hiccuping.
Hello?
Hiccups. How long have you had it?
Since yesterday.
Yesterday. Did you by any chance eat something in secret?
No! How did he know?
Rogi is not that kind of bus.
He didn't?
Huh?
Well, that's really weird.
Tayo really trusts me. But I was greedy and drank all the engine oil.
Do you know of any way we can stop his hiccups?
To be honest, I'm not quite sure.
What? Well, I thought you knew everything.
I'm sorry, Tayo.
Well, okay.
Well, it's getting late, so you better go home now.
Okay, I guess we'll see you later.
Bye.
Yeah, I should tell Tayo everything. Tayo.
Yeah?
Was I too loud?
Oh, you scared us.
How is it now?
How's what?
I mean your hiccups. Didn't they stop?
Oh, you're right!
Yay!
Woohoo! Wow, they're really gone now!
The best remedy for hiccups is always a good surprise.
That's amazing! It's true, Matt. You really do know everything.
Thanks, Matt!
I'm really glad your hiccups went away.
Tayo, I have something to tell you.
Oh, what is it?
I'm sorry, Tayo. I'm the one that drank all the new engine oil, even yours.
Rogi?
I'm sorry. The hiccups must have been punishment for my greed.
Oh, wow! That means that Met was right.
You'll start hiccuping when you eat something in secret.
Tayo, aren't you mad at me?
It's okay. No matter how it started, you told me the truth in the end. And you know what, Rogi? I know I can always find new engine oil, but I think it would be pretty hard to find another good friend like you.
Tayo!
You must be the closest of friends.
So, how was the engine oil?
Rogi is deeply grateful for Tayo's help. I have a feeling they've become even closer than before.